Until 3 years ago, Neskio Farm was a test farm for Lely. The owners were one of the first to trial the Lely A1 milking robot back in the early 90s. Since then, the Lely A2, A3 and A4 robots have been trialled on the farm, along with other equipment. The herd currently consists of 130 Holstein Friesian cows with some Swedish Red Crosses. Annual milk yields average 8,000 litres at 3.4% protein and 4.2% prat. In 2010, a new cow barn was built on the farm, which is suitable for housing up to 150 cows. It incorporates calving pins and a calf rearing area along with the feed area. In 2010, 3 Lely A4 robots were installed into the shed, with the foresight of increasing cow numbers to 150 by 2015. On entry to the robot, the cow is identified using EID. Prior to milking, the teats are dry brushed to remove dirt. During this process, the first 7 ml of milk is stripped from each teat. Using stored data in its memory and sensors, the robot locates teat placement and cups on. On the farm, the cows are milked on average 2.8 times per day. The Lely Grazeway system, which we will see later on, allows the cows in and out to pasture and back into the shed as they please. As we can see from the video, because each teat is milked separately, over-milking is avoided. At the same time, the machine ensures that cow is milked out fully. Once the cow is finished milking, the robot sprays each teat with dip. The teacups are then rinsed out before milking the next cow. The farm also has the Lely Vector feeding system installed. This is a robotic feeding system that automatically mixes the required ration and feeds it to cows in the shed. Silage and other feed inputs are placed in a designated area in the shed. An overhead gantry crane then picks up the required feed and places it in the robotic tub feeder, which then mixes it. The feed input area has a security fence around it to keep it clear of humans and livestock during operation. Concentrates and minerals are augured in at the mixed specification to the tub. The robot passes through the shed up to 12 times per day. If the feed at the feed face of the shed falls below 17 centimeters, then it is automatically topped up. While feeding, the machine also pushes in silage to the feed face. Also present on the farm was the Lely Luna cow brush, which helps to keep the cows clean when housed during the winter, free of dust and content. The Lely Discovery scrapes the slats several times a day to ensure the sheds remain clean with low labour input. The Lely Grazeway drafting system was in place on the farm, but it wasn't in operation on the day as the cows were not on full grazing rotation.